All right, let's check our weather now. Obviously, as you just heard, a lot of people dealing with the heat. We are too. Got a little bit of a break from the humidity, but you're saying that's going to be short-lived.
Yeah, it's going to go up and down this week, unfortunately. But regardless of how high or low it gets, it's not going to be anywhere near the oppressiveness than what we had last week, because that was just ridiculous, some of the humidity, some of the days we had. Now, as we look at our focus for the upcoming week, as I said, that humidity will start to come back, and then it'll get kind of shoved away again before it starts to come back again. So it's a on and off fight between the dry air and the muggy air. But the one thing we do know for sure is pretty much another dry week. We have had very little precipitation over the last month, and that is going to lead to more readings in the 90s to 100s. No 80-degree highs, unfortunately. 90s and triple digits. There's a look at those dew points right now. They're not too bad. Remember, the dew point, the true measure of the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. And as we put our model into focus here, yes, a little bit muggy tomorrow, but tomorrow night and into Tuesday, we will have a front cross the area, get a wind shift behind it, and that'll bring in much more drier air into the region, which will be certainly good news lasting Wednesday and through Thursday. You can see that real tropical air getting pressed toward the Gulf Coast, which is certainly at least some good news. Take you outside right now to Lowell. Things are nice and quiet, lots of sunshine, but it's hot, 91 in Lowell. But that dew point at 68 makes it feel like it's 95. Elsewhere for your neighborhood in northwest Arkansas, lower to mid 90s on average, so not too bad. Here's Alma, I-40 and I-49. Things are nice and quiet. You don't see many clouds near the top of your screen. 91 in Alma, but that 73-degree dew point is getting toward the oppressive side, which is why it feels like it is a nice and toasty 100 degrees outside. But no air temperatures at 100 degrees, just about mid-90s on average across the River Valley. Now, as we go hour by hour here, nice and quiet tonight, waking up tomorrow morning for that early morning jog, walking your pet, no problems. A little sticky outside with temperatures in the 70s. We quickly shoot back up into the upper 80s and lower 90s by the afternoon hours, and by dinner time, most everybody 90s throughout the area with a couple of triple-digit numbers in and out of the River Valley. And then we watch this cold front cross Monday night into Tuesday. Should be moisture starved. Might take another day for any precipitation to get here Tuesday night and into Wednesday. But the hot weather isn't going anywhere. I think we can mostly blame the La Nina pattern for all of this hot weather. Strong confidence in above average temperature 6 to 10 days out. This is through July 20th. And stronger confidence 8 to 14 days out for the area. So that this warm weather isn't going away anytime soon, unfortunately. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Darby, still churning around in the Pacific, winds of 65 miles an hour. It is expected to become a Category 1 hurricane and eventually slide its way in the vicinity of the big island of Hawaii as a weak tropical depression. We'll see if that actually verifies, but we'll keep an eye on Darby for the rest of the week. I'm sure Chief Meteorologist Darby Bybee will be watching Darby. There's a look at lows tonight, 60s and 70s. And then back into the air fryer tomorrow with upper 90s to near 100 degrees. There's a look at the extended forecast, which doesn't feature much precipitation at all. Maybe a couple of sprinkles with an impulse Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Lots of sunshine, maybe a shower Saturday night and into Sunday. Average high in the River Valley, 94. We'll be above that for the rest of the week with chances for a sprinkle Tuesday night and possibly into early Wednesday morning. Stay with us. On the other side of the commercial break, we're going to check the world of sports.